guys, we're Nation here. Today we're going to be showing you how to get this thingy jigger on your Apple device. Okay, first you're going to go to General on Settings, Accessibilities, and then Excessive Touch, then that. Okay, then that's how you turn it on. Then you want to go to, then you have all this device. This will, if you hold this down, you can shut it off. And you just press it, it'll bring you back to your lock. You can take screenshots, docs, restart, app switcher, and that's about it. And there. Well, that was my tutorial, and I hope y'all guys enjoyed. And I'll see you all guys next time on my next tutorial or gaming video. So goodbye.